Hi, I'm Karissa.
Hi, I'm Alexis.
And today we will be doing a tutorial for Girls Rock Cosmetics. Today we will be using Hear Me Roar bronzer.
You want to put your brush in this brown, and then you want to make a fish face like that. You want to put it on your cheekbone right here so it makes a line. And it should look like that. And then you want to take and dip it in the brown. And then you want to put it on your nose, the ends like that. And then you want to get your normal blush brush. And then you just want to start blending that in.
Next we will be using eyeshadow base. So first you dab a little bit onto your, you take your finger, dip it in, and apply it to your eyelid.
Now you only want to put like a fair amount, not too much, not too little. And this creates like a longer lasting for your eyeshadow, so you can have it on longer and through the whole day.
Next, we will be using Lucky Penny eyeshadow.
So first you want to get a good amount on one of the sides. It should look like this. And then you're going to close your eye and you're going to put it in the inside of your eye, because we're going to go for the natural smoky eye look today. Yeah, and you want to like put it in the crease like this. And then you just want to have like just a tiny bit, like a little less than half of your eyelid. And then you're gonna apply that to this side too.
You don't want too much, so. Next, you'll be using your Majesty eyeshadow.
So you're gonna dip your brush in it, get a fair amount like last time. Now you're gonna go over your the penny, and you're just gonna put it in the middle of your eye, like make kind of like a line in your eye. So up close, you're gonna like that, and you're gonna put a line like that. And you should be able to tell where the two shades are. It's gonna be like a difference. And then you're gonna do that to the other eye as well. Just put it over on the crease.
And make sure they're even amount.
And then make sure you have room, because there's a last step to this. It should look like this.
The next step to the smoky eye is you're going to be using Bring It On Brown eyeshadow.
Okay, so take your brush, dab a tiny bit. Since this is really dark, you only want to grab a tiny bit. And then in the corner where you didn't put it, you just want to put a dab of this. And it should look like this, like darker than the rest. And then
on both sides,
it should like not look like a smoky eye yet, because we haven't like done it or anything.
Blend it.
So yeah, so it should look like this right now, like this. And then you're gonna grab the brush you've been using, and then you're gonna go back to that Lucky Penny. And you're gonna take a little bit of this, and then you're just gonna go ahead and blend the whole eye together. You're gonna wanna take your glowing powder.
You're gonna take your highlighting brush, big or small, doesn't matter, and dip it into the highlighter. Then apply it.
You wanna put it right here and right here, so it just wants to be like this, and then right here, and then when you turn, it just gives you that extra glow. And then you're also just gonna put it on the tip of your nose right here, and then right down here, just a tiny bit, and right here.
Next, you're gonna take a smaller brush to put into the corner of your eyes. Yeah. So you're gonna grab the highlighter, dip it in, and put it in. Just kind of dab a little bit so it gives your eyeshadow some pop. Beautiful.
Next, you're gonna want to take your black Magic Stylo eyeliner.
We aren't very good at applying eyeliner over the camera on the spot, but we applied it off the camera, and this is what it's supposed to look like.
Next, you're gonna wanna take your Dare to Be Different mascara, and then you're just gonna wanna apply this. A good trick to mascara is you put it on the roots of your eyelashes, and then you wanna slowly close your eye. And this just makes it so your eyelashes look fuller and they have more volume. Next, you're gonna wanna take your Girls Rock Performance Makeup lipstick, and then you're just gonna apply this side first.
And then you're gonna wait a few seconds to let it dry, and then you'll be using the clear side.
After you applied your lipstick, you're gonna take this gloss part, and you're just gonna dip it in there, and then you're gonna put it on your bottom and on the top. And so you're just gonna wanna have it like this and let it dry, and so it can be glossy like this.
And the last and final step of this whole smoky eye look is our Girls Rock Setting Finish Spray. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna spray about 2 sprays directly across from your face, about a couple feet. And you're just gonna go 1, 2.
And then I'm gonna do the same thing. 1, 2.
And you're gonna let that dry. Make sure your face is really soft while it dries. This is the final look. Thanks guys, we had a blast. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video.